Finding your battery dead on a cold morning or while on a trip is a drag. With Autometer's BEX battery extenders, this is no longer a problem. When your battery is not kept fully charged, it can become sulfated, which means they will have a lower life. The battery extender from Autometer is a great tool to keep your battery on full charge on a continuous basis, and it will keep you powered longer. These extenders are compatible with all lead-acid batteries. There are 3 versions of the Autometer BEX battery extender: the 5000, the 3000, and the 1500. The BEX chargers are fully equipped with a sophisticated circuitry that will safely charge and maintain batteries without overcharging. These extenders have 4 charging modes: desulfation, bulk, absorption, and maintain. They have added lights that will keep you updated on what stage of charging your battery is currently on. Amber means the battery extender is in desulfation mode. Red means the battery extender is charging. Green means the battery extender is safely maintaining your battery at full charge, and your battery is ready to go when you need it. BEX extenders are built to resist water and have a spark-free connection with reverse polarity. In addition to all these safety features, the BEX 5000 also includes the ability to work with 6, 8, 12, and 16 volt batteries. This further expands its application compatibility. So whether you've got a car, boat, RV, lawnmower, or a motorcycle, Autometer has you covered. If you are interested in purchasing any of the Autometer BEX series battery extenders, check out our store locator in the description below. And don't forget to check back for more videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.